Revolutionize the way you promote your business and connect with your target audience. Please visit the links in the description to access free tools and additional resources to help you get more website traffic to your offers, opt-ins, leads, and sales to grow your business. Are you looking to take your online business to new heights? Look no further than the incredible power of Master Safelist Blaster. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative features, this tool is designed to revolutionize the way you promote your business and connect with your target audience. In a digital landscape saturated with competitors, standing out from the crowd is essential. That's where Master Safelist Blaster comes in. By leveraging its powerful email marketing capabilities, you can reach a vast network of potential customers and elevate your brand's visibility. Whether you're launching a new product or simply want to increase your online presence, this tool will help you achieve your goals with ease. Unlike other Safelist services, Master Safelist Blaster offers a user-friendly interface that makes managing your campaigns a breeze. From creating captivating email templates to scheduling sendouts, everything can be accomplished in just a few clicks. Plus, with its robust tracking and reporting system, you can monitor the success of your campaigns and make data-driven decisions that lead to better results. Don't miss out on the countless opportunities that await you with Master Safelist Blaster. Discover the power it holds and unleash its potential for your online business today. Please visit the links in the description to access free tools and additional resources to help you get more website traffic to your offers, opt-ins, leads, and sales to grow your business. Affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this article, blog, website, channel may earn commissions.